WUBEN. Charging cable, manual. So small that you can fit it inside a wallet. So let's actually go over some features and then we're going to test it out. If you want to skip ahead to the lighting effects outside, you can do that. So as you guys can see, you can rotate it fully around. You can clip it on. So if you have pants or strap, you can just lift this up and clip it on. No problem. Charge it right through here. I love this design. This is cool. Really cool. Excuse me, I said you could charge it here. Now this is a magnet, so if you want to stick it on something, you can easily stick it on. As an example. Which is actually really nice if you're working on a vehicle. To charge it, you slide this forward. And also, slide it right here, press the button, and that allows you to turn it on. And then you can filter through different colors, which we're going to show you. So multiple different colors you can filter through, and we'll show you at nighttime. You can also press and hold the button to swap over to a regular flashlight. And then there, you can filter and turn that super bright or dim. All right, so let's go ahead and show you. So this is on low, and here's bright. So that was low. Take a look at this, guys. On max brightness, look at this. This is outside. Like, this is how bright it is. It's incredible. So let's go ahead and press and hold the top here. And now we have the different colors. You can see as we rotate and filter through the colors, there's a nice range. Now you can make really cool backdrops with this. So there's a lot of like video effects you can do. And because this is so small, you can place it pretty much anywhere. Red looks nice. Overall, very impressed with this. Very, very impressive.